In this video, I will paint autumn's signature leaf, a snail and water drops in details. But let us take the sides first. At first, I am drawing a love sign with very little pressure on the pencil so that I can easily erase these strokes. Then I am drawing the stem. From here, I will give 2 downward strokes for the veins in the center. These dots will make the drawing process easier. Can you see the dots? Wait, let me zoom. This is the final outline of the autumn leaf. And after that, I am erasing the previous outline. Then I am drawing the snail on the leaf. These are the trunks. Trust me, making these outlines are very easy if you follow the steps thoroughly. Drawing the outline of the shell first, erasing this extra portion, then drawing the spiral stroke from here. Talking about the main colors, I mixed hot pink and lemon yellow as they are a bit fluorescent in color. See here. I'll color the background first, so I am pre-wetting the background and I am making sure that no water will go inside the leaf. Coloring the green with a bit water, dipping in water and spreading this green color everywhere in the background. Now covering the 4 corners with deep green. I want to make these edges a bit darker. Washed the brush and I am blending this deep green with light green. A bit maroon here and there. All these colors will be colored when the page is wet, not dried. You can recreate this painting, and if you want to share your artwork with me and the audience, tag me on Instagram. This is my username. I will share your painting in my next video. These are the veins of the leaf. And this is how you create a blurry background. The first layer of the leaf will be yellow color. I am using a bit water when the brush tends to dry. using that fluorescent orange color in the edges of the leaf. Now I am washing the brush and spreading this orange color. You can see that I haven't used any color here. I used just water to blend this. Now I am adding another layer of yellow. Do not paint this in a hurry. I am showing this video in a fast forward mode because otherwise this video will be very long. I am using a thin brush to make the edges sharp. Coloring the stem red. Also, I painted the veins red. Try to paint these veins with the tip of the brush. Now I am using a black color for the edges of the leaf, and also I am using the tip of the brush. Otherwise these strokes will be a bit thick and won't give a sharp look. To show the reflection of the sunlight from the edges, I am using white color. I want to define the veins a little bit more. That is why I am giving this black color and spreading this, blending it finely. Defining the stem with white. The first layer of the snail, not the shell, the body is orange, and then I am shading the body with a bit brown and mixing them, blending them, giving the color to the trunk. I used different color for the shell, that is sky blue. To deepen up the color, just use a bit black to the sky blue and make this color. And apply the deep color with a bit water. Show the reflection with a bit white or the light color. Using faded black for the shadow. Painting the outline with black. Now I'm going to show the power of white color. See, it looks much better than before. Now I'm going to draw the drops, paint the drops actually, drawing the outline of the drop with only white. I want to give this drop a shiny look. I am using water here so that the white color can spread unevenly. Giving a bit black and a bit red inside the drop. In the same way, I am drawing the other drops. And guess what? This is the last step of our painting, and I'm going to pull off the masking tape here. If this video was useful for you, then give it a thumbs up. Stay tuned to my channel for the next video updates. Share this video with one friend who likes to draw or paint. See you in my next video. This is Mousumi signing off.